Hi everyone, it's Carol here from the stampingground.co.uk and thank you for joining me. Today I'd just like to show you a card I've made using the hand penned dies from the new catalogue. I've used one of the new colours in it as well, and I'll just show you these are the stamps and obviously the dies, and you can buy it in a bundle or you can buy them separate. The actual paper, the designer series paper, is hand penned as well, and it's a papaya ribbon, which again is new in the catalogue. I hope you like it, and if you hop over to my blog you'll see the photographs on there, and there'll be a list of all the equipment I've used for it. So until next time, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you soon.